What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on ZBCN because this is currently one of the main altcoins that I am watching. So if you are interested, what is the exact area where I am planning to buy this coin, or what is the exact price that I am actually expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. The main reason why I am currently watching smaller altcoins like this is that we already saw a huge Bitcoin pump, and right now we can also see that Ethereum is pumping as well. And in my opinion, historically, like every time we first of all saw a Bitcoin pump, then we saw Ethereum pump, and then these smaller altcoins had their time. So in my opinion, in the, let's say, next couple of weeks, we will see really insane pumps on altcoins like this, so I want to be prepared. Let's start today, as I said, on a 4-hour chart. Here we are currently retesting this bullish order block, and also we are taking liquidity under this previous important low. This bullish order block is between level 0.04938 and 0.04620. And right now, if there will be a liquidity grab with a support confirmation, I actually want to start placing here a long position. The exact trade that I want to take here can look exactly like this. So stop loss you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out with that liquidity grab. And last take profit target, I want to place under $0.01 mark, which will give us a potential profit around 106% of a net market. Maybe you are thinking right now that this last take profit target is, let's say, heavily out of the picture and we are not gonna hit this price. But as I said, in my opinion, like a huge alt season is coming if we are gonna break important resistances that I will show you in today's video. I definitely want to be prepared. And as I said, we already saw pump on Bitcoin, we already saw pump on Ethereum, and right now I think it's time for these smaller altcoin projects. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bitunix exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Of course, there is absolutely zero guarantee that we are gonna hit the last take profit target, so that's why I want to set here multiple take profit targets. Some of the profit I definitely want to take under this bearish order block on the 4-hour chart, which is between levels 0.05831 and 0.05529. So some of the profits I want to take under this area, and some profits I want to take above this previous important high. So let's say level approximately 0.0611. Next important take profit targets can be under this previous important highs, and then if I'm gonna switch on a daily time frame, you can see this is current all-time high, and after we will break it, we will get into a price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have here any important supports or resistances. Next take profit target then can be under level 0.085, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 15.6, which is in my opinion really great potential risk reward ratio, you will get trade with risk reward ratio like 10, maybe 11, something like that, which is in my opinion still absolutely perfect setup, because there will be a huge liquidity grab, then a support confirmation, which means that if you are gonna place the stop loss under that low that we will create during the fake out, you will get kinda safe stop loss if we are gonna compare it to that potential profit that we are trying to get, and then you are getting a setup with really great risk reward ratio. So yeah, if those conditions that I talked about will be met, this is in my opinion really great potential trading setup. And let's now take a look on the main chart that is in my opinion holding us from alt season, and this is a total 2 chart, which is like an altcoin market cap. You can see that here we are testing this really important resistance on a daily time frame, which is by the way between levels 1.6 and 1.5, and you can see we are under this important resistance for about 238 days. So yeah, this is super important resistance. you can see that's the all-time high. So the most money that's were in the altcoin market cap. This was in November 2021. So this was like kind of a long time ago. And in my opinion, if there will be breakout and then support confirmation of this area, we are probably gonna see here a break of this previous high, which is 1.71. And then again, we will get into a price discovery phase. And that's when the alt season starting. So in my opinion, I am, let's say, waiting here for support confirmation of this area, and then if we will see here an increased bullish volume on altcoins, that the alt season just started. So yeah guys, just keep this in mind. Right now opening some larger amount of the long positions, it's in my opinion still risky, because you can still be facing here a potential liquidity grab. So we want to see here a support confirmation. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. And link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's now get back to that ZBCN and let's switch to a daily time frame. If there won't be this liquidity grab with a support confirmation under these previous important lows, then I'm watching here bullish retest of this bullish order block, which is starting on 0.04199. For me, this is an opportunity to just place here a limit order. So the exact trade can look like this. Stop loss you want to place under this bullish order block, because if there will be breakdown, you are risking resistance confirmation, which means we are gonna retest these lower areas. And in my opinion, this is really important support, for example, from this previous important highs and this previous important lows, which was like really important support. So I simply, if we are gonna get close to this area, I want to place here a limit order, and last take profit targets you can actually place on the exact same level, so that's 0.01, which will give you a potential profit around 135% of a net market, and with stop loss around 13 to 14% of a net market, your risk reward ratio is still gonna be around 10. Again, you want to take here multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you definitely want to take around this area of important liquidity under this previous important highs, this current all-time high 0.85, then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, your risk reward ratio is going to be around like 7, something like that, which is another really great potential trade. So yeah guys, definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you are expecting this coin is gonna hit. These were all the main setups that I'm currently watching here, and if you don't want to miss out on any of my new analysis, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.